Happy New Year!
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
And we are back in 2025 with Jordy's car doing rust repair on the floor. And then we'll get to the Miata. Speaking of, while I was doing drifty things, Jordy was already working on this. So let's find him and see where he's at. Hey.
Fixing holes.
So what you been up to?
I fixed.
Holy interior.
The corner pockets are notorious for rusting out on E36s. They weren't awful, but they weren't good. There were still rot holes. And then I pulled the carpet up. Carpet was super wet, not saving it. So I'm gonna neutralize every other bit of rust. And I think we're gonna Raptor line the inside.
Yeah?
Yeah, if it's in the budget.
Well, good thing you got a painter girlfriend. He needs the room, so he's taking off the wheel. Gonna load that bitch in.
Time to wire wheel seam sealer off.
Yay!
Yay!
While Jordy starts wire wheeling the seam sealer, I'm gonna make a hole template for him. So I already took a piece of masking tape, traced a hole, and now we're gonna cut it. All right, now time to round it out. And here we have it. And here we lost it. Does it fit?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me see. Wow. Gazoom tight. He's really getting in there. We'll be back. What are you doing now?
We need to paint.
All right, I'm gonna go grab this sealant for him. All right, let's see if he wants gray or black. Why are you holding that to my... Please don't. Please don't.
Light coat from afar.
Watch the heat gun, please.
Traumatized.
So bad.
That's first coat. Not the prettiest of things, but here they are. Quick intermission because I was hungry.
I subcontracted him today. Thank you, Jim. Okay, our lovely friend Spoon saved us 4 hours of time.
Spoon did a good job.
All right, Kai, give me the rundown because I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, can you... Like I said last time, gotta level it out. Hold on, I'm gonna clean it too. That sounded wrong. Pause.
Nice. Even distribution, right?
Yes. Screw on the new tip.
All right, this is my favorite game. It's like a maze.
Jordy knows better than me, so he's gonna do it. Ain't that right, Mr. Dwaggins?
Yeah.
We ran out.
My tip is leaking.
He's up already. Oh my god, he's getting everywhere. Look at mine compared to his.
I don't do this for a living.
So thanks to my assistant and quick dabbing with the brush, I made it look nicer. Jordy's back again to whatever that is. Boom! The Kylie touch. Back at it again. Who's this guy? I don't know.
Whatever, I'll just tell Anthony that you were mean to me. Steal it time. Are you laughing at me?
No. Here it is! The finished product. How would you rate your work?
Let's say a 6. It's gonna work. It's not the prettiest, but it fixed the problem.
If it works, it works, huh?
That's all that matters.
Now, unfortunately, that's all we have time for today, so you know the drill. We'll be back tomorrow. Pretty.
Such an angel.
Well, as you guys can see, there's some white stuff on the ground, so there's some white stuff on my car, which means she ain't coming inside today. But it's alright. I gotta prep Jim's 180 cage, so we'll get some of that. I'm still in my work attire. Jordy got me these overalls for Christmas. I love them. The cage in question. Not too much to it, just gotta scuff and duff. Let's grab what I need. Most important of them all. Did not get me scuffing it, but we got Jordy cleaning it. Yeah.
Always get the bitch shove.
All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow for the angle kit.
Left side.
Other side, yeah.
The side.
I
The side.
locked myself in. There you go. Yeah. It's official. I got a helmet. Yeah. Yay! Yay! Angle kit. Holy she's dirty. What the? Yay! Awesome new car! Yay! You guys know the drill. Skirts off, jacking up the car, wheels gotta come off. We'll see you guys then. First step, cotter pin. So I unbent it. Yes, I'm in my bumper. Trying to pull it now. Yay! What a bitch and a half. Where's my mallet? We've ran into a dilemma.
Now put it back on. Use the other hand to push up there. There you go. Oh, God.
Bring out the big guns. Old, here's the new. If I open it up.
Hey, bud.
Jordy's scary looking right now.
Tie rod is hitting the goddamn bolt that's too long, so I'm chopping it.
So here's the stock. And this is the outdated angle kit. Wow.
Such angle.
Much wow.
Wow.
Let's see if this one will be quicker than the last. Other side is in, but I have to grind it yet again because it's hitting.
Video or you taking a picture?
Time to test it. Kira, you want to get in the car again? Just drove around the parking lot a couple times and then rev her up and have some home. I can't even. Rev it up. Don't be afraid of the clutch. You got it. You feel it? Yeah. Rev up, rev up, go, go, go. Yep, yep, yep. Keep going. Yes, car. Go, 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 yes! That was great. You just went into the street. Safe to say I got it. That was really good. Did I pop my tire? Did I pop my tire? I hit that pothole really bad. No, yeah, you did great. God, changing directions. God, being a figure eight. You got it, you got it. Yes, girl. So you see how you do tight configurations right here? That's great. Try bringing it out a little and controlling it the same way. Okay, okay. I stalled. It's okay, we all turn this back on? No, I'll turn it back on. Careful. more comfortable keeping your foot down on the throttle. That's what it is. Like Ryan said, clutch kick to get into it, and then once you feel that you're in drift, take your foot off the clutch and put it all in focus on your throttle. Okay. If you're coming out of it, give it a clutch kick. Not all the time.
Start in a circle. Drive.
Clutch? No? Okay, restart clutch. Yeah, roll the sleeves up. I did that too.
Go, 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 faster.
You killed it.
Yeah!
It's really hard to drive. Well, one, it's smooth, but two, it's like, it feels really twitchy.
Yeah, it's wired.
Guess what? You were spinning out the last couple of laps. Spinning really good.
Yeah.
I'm spinning in the same spot you were spinning.
That's why I said I think my tire's done.
Time to fix it. A second gear burnout.
So here I am the day after sliding my Miata, installing the ankle kit. I'm so freaking proud of myself. I'm gonna get all the footage from last night, upload a video for you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.